going on, guys? Just got down to the river. It looks a little bit higher than normal. I haven't fished here in probably over 2 years, but I'm gonna walk upriver a little bit and toss this guy around, see if I can get some fish. All right, this is gonna be the first spot I try. The water looks pretty deep here, and there's a little low head dam up there, so we'll see what happens. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, baby. Yeah. It's a Miami smallmouth right there. Whew. That's awesome. Not a bad smallie at all. This guy's beautiful. Crazy. Just like that. So this right here is what I'm using. It's just a yellow head with a black eye and a white little grub with a twister tail on it. I'm gonna cast upstream a couple of times, see if I can find anyone lurking up there. I think those were just rocks. It's a shallow area right there. So many bugs around me, it's kind of annoying. Come here, fishy. Oh! Well, would you look at that? Nice little river creek crappie, I guess. That's awesome. Another little crappie, not bad. See ya.
Was a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a falling angel just walked by. I think a falling angel just walked by. walked by. I think I saw angels just walk